is Aurora with SuperchargedScience.com, homeschool science curriculum for K through 12. I'm at the side of the road again. This is, we have been taking a family road trip for the past almost 2 weeks across the U.S. and I wanted to show you the Tehachapi windmill farm. I don't know if you can see it here in the distance. There are a whole bunch of windmills. There's nearly 5,000 windmills that are providing enough energy for over 350,000 homes. And the windmills, these have been operational since the 1980s. There's like, I think 3 generations of windmills. They've been replacing them as they wear out and as they have better and better designs. But you can see them here. If you're on Highway 58 and you're headed over the Sierras, over to Tehachapi Pass, you will see hundreds and then you'll start to see thousands of windmills all over the hillside because it's so windy in this area. Now sorry, here comes a semi. Here, take a look. I told you I was at the side of the road. Sorry. But I just had to stop to show you because this is where science is really in action. This is kids of today are making the world better tomorrow because we're finding newer, better ways of generating energy. And there's a really cool experiment you can do at home with your kids that will show how wind turbines can generate electricity. It's super simple. You just take a motor and you put a small propeller on it. You know those summer fans that they sell at the dollar store? You know, they've got these little handheld fans, but you can hold them in your hand and they blow air at you. Well, you get a couple of those and then all you do is you can hook up. You're going to have to take it apart, but all you do is you hook up a light bulb to the other end where the battery's supposed to be and aim a hairdryer at it, and you'll see you can make the light bulb light up. It's super cool, super easy. If you want full, complete instructions for that, you're going to have to look at my website, which is www.superchargedscience.com, and I have full instructions on my online science curriculum. That and so much more. There's you can actually make your own wind turbine. You're going to make your own solar boat and solar power. You can make an external combustion engine entirely out of soda cans. So many cool experiments that will teach kids how technology. Oh, hang on, another big semi. How technology is used, and you don't need special fancy tools to do it. Really simple stuff. But I wanted just to share this with you because it's so cool to see so much. I just did another one. We just passed a solar thermal power plant in near Primm, Nevada. It was actually in California though, by the Clark Mountains, and that was super cool too. It's really just showing different ways of generating electricity using the resources that we have around us by doing clever things. So again, this is Aurora with Supercharged Science. I'm going to get out of the road because it's almost 100 degrees here, but I wanted to make sure you saw the windmills and the wind farm at Tehachapi. Thanks so much, and if you would like more information, go to www.superchargedscience.com. Thanks everyone, bye!